everyone! I'm so excited to see you all! Let's jump for joy!
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Justin.
They worked small jobs.
David and Justin had been friends since childhood. Remember playing here?
Of course, best times. We grew up in the same neighborhood,
And attended the same schools.
shared the same dreams.
Man, adulthood hit hard. Tell me about it. Rent was overdue and bills piled up. Justin, I'm tired of explaining why I can't pay. Another creditor? Phone's ringing again. Justin, I'm tired of explaining why I can't pay. I wake up every day hoping for a miracle.
I know, we have to find a way.
Together, we can.
Yes. Hey Justin, ready to find some small jobs?
Yeah, let's go ask around.
Great, let's go! Hi, we're here to apply for the job.
Great. Can you start right away?
Yes, absolutely. You're hired. Welcome aboard. David, another day, another dollar.
Yeah, but we need more hours.
I know, let's get these stocked.
We work at the grocery store. It's temporary. No savings.
What if we stop waiting and start building something? With what money? I know, right?
Man, I'm so broke. How about you? Same here. It's stressing me out. We need a plan. Yeah, let's figure it out.
Man, our finances are a mess. I know, everything's so expensive.
We need to cut back now. But on what? I'm so worried our lives aren't moving forward.
I feel the same. We need to make a change.
Let's do it together.
I'm with you. David and Justin decided to visit the bank. Not because they were confident, but because staying broke felt worse. David, ready to get that loan? You bet! $10,000 to start our business. Let's go make it happen. Right behind you. We need a loan to start our business.
Yes, $10,000.
Tell me about your business plan.
We have one.
Oh, we are thinking of starting a grocery business.
Yeah, a grocery business.
I see. Tell me more.
Okay.
If I give you $10,000 today, how exactly will you turn it into profit? Dreams don't get funded. Plans do. I'm not rejecting you. I'm challenging you.
Challenging us, wow. Yeah, let's prove him wrong. We won't borrow money blindly. We'll understand business first.
Time to get to work. Understanding the numbers. Now, with people.
Hey David, ready to learn?
Yeah, let's start with the numbers. Right, learn from marketers.
Hey Justin, ready to start? Yeah, let's look at these numbers. This marketer strategy is key. They learned one powerful truth. Millionaires are not made by big money. They are made by good systems. Instead of a random grocery shop, we have to niche down. Here's the process. First, identify your passion. Then research the market. Finally, specialize on a niche. We have to rent a small space near traffic. Good plan. High traffic means more customers. Exactly. Let's go check some places. Okay, with $6,000 inventory is our base. Right. Rent and setup take $2,000 and $2,000 for marketing and a buffer. So sell what people buy daily. We have to start. Right. The list? Rice, oil, noodles, eggs, bread, water. Let's check the space. Focus on fast-moving essentials. Right. Rice, oil, noodles, eggs, bread, water. Good. Stock the niches down. Wholesalers make money faster. The plan? Buy in bulk, sell to retailers. It's about speed, not size. Sell daily goods. I just discovered online businesses need skill, not capital. Oh yeah? Show the process. Identify your skill. Then create content, build an audience, and monetize it. Examples: social media management, graphics design, video editing, freelancing. Here's the process. First, social media management. Then, graphics design. First, you'll need a laptop. Next, reliable internet access. And don't forget learning time. What have you learned so far? Not enough. We need to learn more. I agree. What do you think? We need to go out and study the street food in small restaurants. Why food? Because we love it and it's a great project. People eat every day. Okay, so daily cash flow, easy to scale. Show the process. We studied street food. Taste plus cleanliness plus location equals profit. Cleanliness is key and location drives traffic. How about learning about buying and reselling accessories? Yeah, I'm in. What's the process? First, find deals, then sell higher. They learned about phones, electronics, furniture. The process: buy low, improve, sell high. Let's see how. We learned about phones, electronics, furniture. The process: buy low, improve, sell high. The lesson: profit hides in inefficiency. We don't need to be perfect. We just need to start. We have to choose one business, not 5. But why not more? We chose focus over excitement. Got it. We have to go back to the bank to prove the bank manager wrong. Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're here. Let's find the manager's office. Here it is.
Go ahead. We have a solid business plan and projections for growth. Now, you sound like business owners. Our plan is simple: market research, startup costs, daily revenue, break-even point. Impressive. Hi, we're here for the loan. Of course, everything is approved. Great news, thank you. All right, let's get set up. Yeah, let's do this. This isn't working. We have to learn from this. We opened an accessory shop beside a busy road, but the first months were hard. Mistakes were made, losses happened, lessons were learned. All right, Justin, we open today. Yes, no luxury, no shortcuts. Reinvest everything. Look, a customer. Welcome! David and Justin opened their accessory shop beside a busy road. Profits slowly appeared. They reinvested everything. Justin, let's open our accessory shop right here. Great idea, David. The location is perfect. Wow, great selection. I'll take this. Ready to open our shop, Justin? Let's build something great. One shop became 2. We built real value. Let's write down our payment plan. Good idea. I'll get the notebook. First, the bold heading. Okay, I'll add the details. Let's write our payment plan. Right. Every week, no matter the profit, and a fixed percentage back to the bank. Another portion was reinvested. The rest stayed as operating cash. Some weeks were tight. We could delay payment this month. No, integrity builds faster than money. Hi, we're here to pay back our loan.
Great. Let me process that for you.
Thanks. You two are different. Most people borrow to escape pressure. You borrowed to build discipline. The final payment day came quietly. No party, no noise, just a stamped paper. That day, they didn't feel rich. They felt free. For years, I rented a single room. I shared space with relatives. But something had changed. They stopped asking, "Can we afford this? Does this align with our future?" We made another rule. Never build a house before building cash flow. Justin, new rule. Never build a house before building cash flow. Right, so first, build the cash flow. Exactly. When the business stabilized, we bought land, slowly, no rush, no debt. We bought the first plot, and a third without debt. This house is not a symbol of wealth.
Brick by brick, payment by payment.
This house is not a symbol of wealth. It's proof of patience. Welcome to my new place. Looks great, simple design. Exactly. Solid structure, no luxury furniture. I like it. Solid structure. But that night, he slept differently. Not because the house was big, but because it was earned. People often think success starts with cars, but that's not it. It's about mindset and effort. Exactly. Justin, cars came last. We need to build more income before getting a car. A car is a liability. For years, we used public transport, then old secondhand vehicles, and business delivery bikes. Then one day,
My car broke down during the supplier visit.
You broke down?
Not funny, David.
I think the business has outgrown our transportation. We need a car now, we can afford it. You're right, let's do it. We bought our first car. No way, what is it? Reliable, fuel efficient, not flashy. Ha, nice. They bought their first car. Reliable, fuel efficient, not flashy. Awesome, a perfect first car. Hey, Justin, check out my new car. Whoa, really? Let's see. It's right over here. Later came upgrades, then another, but each car served a purpose: business, family, time efficiency. Millionaires don't buy cars to look rich. They buy cars to buy time. Success changed how David and Justin approached relationships. They went from guarded to open, embracing connection. Success changed how they approached relationships, not with pride, but with clarity. I married the woman who stood with me when I had nothing. That's true love. She's my everything. My foundation needs to be stable. That's the way, Justin. There, all set. Their marriages were not extravagant. They were intentional. I agree. I don't promise perfection, but I promise growth. Watch me grow! One step at a time. Homes filled with laughter, with prayer, with plans and children. Money doesn't create peace. Alignment does.
I understand now.
That's the process.
When the children came, our mindset shifted.
We didn't want to raise rich kids.
but kids with strong values,
We want to raise capable kids.
with books, conversations, and responsibility.
Son, it's time to help at the store. A big accessory shipment just came in.
Wow, I'll help.
Let's see how money flows, sweetie.
Wow, it's filling up.
Exactly. Now you have savings.
Yay, I get it.
We are not leaving you money alone. We are leaving you thinking. Show the process.
Hey, David, long time no see. Hey, Justin. Yeah, it has been. Remember that day at the bank? Yeah, we were so confused, scratching our heads, and then we smiled.
They weren't loud, they weren't flashy, they were stable, debt-free, cash flow positive, family secure. We have come to an end of the financial story. Subscribe to this for more videos and leave a comment below, like, share. Thank you for watching and God bless you.